Good morning. Continuing with our video on projection of pyramids. So another type of problems which you will get in projection of pyramids is when he says that the pyramid is resting on one of its slant triangular faces on HP. Okay, so here the HP condition, he will not tell you that the axis is inclined to HP, but he is telling you that the pyramid is resting on one of the slant triangular faces on HP. So in this case also you have to draw the initial position as I have shown here. When you draw the initial position for pyramid is resting on its base edge on HP. Okay, so this will be the initial position, top view. Okay, because it is a pyramid, you have to show all the slant edges. Okay, then this will be the front view. Now if in the problem he is saying that it is resting on one of its slant triangular faces on HP, that means, see, if you take this, if you consider this triangle face in the top view, that is B, C and O, this is the triangular face. So in the front view it appears as a line BC. There are 2 points here, B is visible, C is invisible, and O dash. So this line here in the front view represents the slant triangular face of the pyramid. So what he is saying in this problem, is he is saying that this edge is resting on HP. That means in the front view this this line or this triangular face, slant triangular face, must be on the XY line. Okay, so that is what it means by when he says that the pyramid is resting on one of the slant triangular faces on HP. So it is like this. So this is HBC and O. So if I rotate it like this, this will be the position of the pyramid. Okay, as you can see here in the front view, in the top view, you will see this triangular face and the base of the pyramid. Okay, and in the front view you will see a figure like this, which will be resting on VP on the XY line. So BO will be on the XY line. So measure this BO, take B here, so let this be new B dash, and measure this distance from here to here. Okay, you take the scale and measure it. I am measuring it approximately. Okay, and draw the edge and draw the line. This is O dash. So this, there is a hidden point, hidden corner C dash. So this line represents the slant triangular face of the pyramid. Now to complete this front view in this position, first take the radius A dash B dash as radius. Okay, with A dash B dash as radius, with B dash as center, draw an arc. Approximately it will come like this. Okay, then with A dash, sorry, B dash O dash as center, or A dash O dash as center, A dash O dash as radius. Okay, as A dash O dash as radius, with O dash as center, cut this arc which I have drawn previously. Somewhere it cuts somewhere here. So you do it taking the instruments. You do it with the instruments. So what I get the point A dash here, and in brackets D dash. So join A dash, B dash and A dash. This will be the base of the pyramid. Okay, and join A dash and O dash. The remaining is the axis point. So find the center of A dash and B dash. So this will be O1 dash. So join O dash and O1 dash, the axis line. So this is the front view of a pyramid which is resting on one of the slant triangular faces on HP. Okay, so this is how you have to draw. So in software, using the software, you can just move this and rotate so that the edge B dash and C dash is on the XY line. Okay, then project the top view. So top view you can project, draw vertical projector from B and C, and from the previous top view draw the horizontal projectors. So you have got the new B and C. Similarly, from A and D draw a vertical projector, and from previous top view draw the horizontal projector. So this becomes A and this becomes D. Okay, don't join it, just take the points. Then O, you draw the vertical projector from O dash and vertical projector from O1 dash, and from the previous top view of O draw the horizontal projector to cut the vertical projector. So this will be O1 and continue that, this will be O. So draw the axis. So O1O will be the axis. Now apply the rules of visibility. All outlines are visible lines. So join all the outlines. D2O, A2O, okay. Then if you look from the top at the front view, the base, all the base corners are visible, that is A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. So the full base is visible in the top view, as you can see. Okay, you can see here in the top view the full base is visible to you. Okay, next, what about the point C and O? Okay, now both C and O are visible, so this must be a visible line, but if you draw it as a visible line, that will be wrong. Okay, so now you have to apply the last rule of visibility. So points in front of the axis, you are standing here and looking at the front view from here, so points or corners in front of the axis are visible, behind the axis are invisible. That is the last rule you have to apply. In that case, if you apply the last rule, then B and C will be invisible points. So a line joining a visible point O and two and invisible points B and C will be a invisible line. So it will be a dotted line. So O, C and O will be a dotted line because it is a invisible line. So you have to be careful with this. You cannot draw a visible line here. If you draw the visible line, that will be wrong. Okay, so now next, this is the HP condition. So what the VP condition is, he can say that the axis appears to be inclined to VP, okay, or he can say the axis is inclined to VP. So here again two types of problems he can ask. If in this problem he is asking the axis appears to be inclined to VP. Okay, so take the apparent length of the axis. Find the apparent length of the axis. This is the apparent length. So if we measure this is called top view length, okay, of axis or apparent length. Okay, now it appears to be inclined to VP at 30 degrees. So below the XY line, draw a line parallel to XY line, okay, and then measure 30 degrees angle with your protractor. Measure 30 degrees from here. So this will be 30 degrees. So on this 30 degree line, you have to draw the apparent length, that is top view length of the axis. Measure from O1 to O. Okay, we'll take O1 here. Okay, we'll take O1 here and O on the other end. So measure this distance, top view length, and mark it here. It will mark somewhere here. This is O. So draw the axis. It is a dot and dashed line. Okay, you can take in the other way also. You can take O here and O1 here. Okay, that is also correct. Now reproduce this top view in this position. Okay, so how to reproduce that? First, AD, okay, measure the distance from O1 on the axis. So measure this distance and mark it here. Now AD is perpendicular to the axis, so draw a line perpendicular to the axis of any convenient length. So it must be perpendicular, exactly perpendicular to the axis. Now on that line, measure from here to A and from here to D. It will be same. So measure from this point to A and mark it here. This is A, and from same radius you mark D. This is D. Okay, and then from D to C, draw a perpendicular line perpendicular to AD equal to this length. So from D, draw a line perpendicular to AD equal to this length. From here also, draw a line perpendicular to AD equal to this length, and join them. This will be B and this will be C. Okay, now complete the top view in the given position. Join OD and AO. Okay, then join CO with dotted line and BO with also dotted line. So this will complete the top view in the VP condition, that is when the axis appears to be inclined to VP at 30 degrees. Okay, now you have to project the front view. To project the front view, draw the projectors from all these points A, B, C and D. Okay, first we'll take BC because B is on the XY line, C is also is on the XY line. So we'll draw the vertical projector from B up to the XY line. So this will be your new B dash. Then C, draw the vertical projector up to XY line. This will be your new C dash. Similarly, from A also you draw a vertical projector and from the previous front view draw the horizontal projector. This will be your new A dash. Then D, draw the vertical projector and from the previous top front view draw the horizontal projector. This will be new D dash. Okay, then O is on the XY line, so project O, draw the vertical projector from O up to the XY line. This will be new O dash. Okay, if you want to project O1 also, you can project it. This is O1. Okay, so draw the vertical projector from O1 and from the previous front view draw the horizontal projector you will get the point O1 dash. Okay, first we will join the axis O and O1. Now apply the rules of visibility. All outlines are visible line, so we'll join all the outlines first. C to O dash, A dash to D dash and D dash to O dash. Okay, now to draw the front view, as I said, you have to look at the top view from this direction. Okay, so when you look at the top view from this direction, A and B are visible to you, O is visible to you, but C and D are invisible. So a line joining two invisible points is an invisible line. So draw a dotted line from here, D dash to C dash, dotted line. Okay, now A and B are visible, O is also visible. So from A to O and B to O you have to draw a full line. B to O already you have drawn. From A to O you have to draw A dash to O dash. It will be a full line. So this will complete the view. So you can look at this figure. This is when it is resting on its edge BC, its slant triangular faces on HP. Okay, now the axis is parallel to VP. If you turn it like this, okay, now the axis becomes inclined to VP at 30 degrees. So apparent inclination. Okay, so directly you can take this and draw the projection. You can see here, this is what you see in the front view. Okay, so this is what you see in the front view. Okay. Now if he says the axis is inclined to VP, then what you have to do? You have to just find the apparent inclination. The first two set of views will be same. So initial view, initial position and HP condition will be same as in the previous problem. But in the third position, you have to find the apparent inclination. Okay, so I told you how to find the apparent inclination. Okay, you recall in projection of lines. So this will be O1 to O will be the top view length or apparent length of the axis. Okay. Now if he says the axis is inclined to VP at 30 degrees, then take the draw a 30-degree line below the XY line. That is, you draw a line up somewhere below the XY line, parallel to XY line, then measure 30 degrees with your protractor. Then draw the 30-degree line. On that 30-degree line, take the true length of the axis. So either you can take it from here, O and O1, O1 dash and O dash. Okay, so we'll take this as O dash. Oh, sorry, this as O and true length O1, measure from here with this as radius, cut this line, 30-degree line which you have drawn. Okay, so this is the 30-degree line. So this is the true inclination of the line with VP. So you take the true length of the axis here. Okay, suppose this is the point. At that point, draw the locus. Again, it will be a line parallel to XY line. So this is the locus of O1 of O1. Okay, now take the apparent length as radius, that is from O1 dash O1 to O from the second top view. Okay, this is the apparent length of the axis. This as radius with O as center. Cut this locus, cut somewhere here. So this will be O1. Okay, now join O and O1, that will be the axis in the required position. A dot and dash line. So if you measure this angle, okay, this will be more than 30 degrees, that is the apparent inclination beta. Okay, now just reproduce this top view in this this position. So in the same way as we have done in the previous example. So measure from here BC. Okay, sorry, this is not, oh, here I have made wrong. This is B and this is C and this is A and this is D. Okay, A, B, C and D. Now transfer this here. AD, from O1 you measure AD and draw a line perpendicular to the axis. Okay, then measure from here to here and here to here, it will be same. So those marks you can make here, and then measure this distance perpendicular to AD. So this is A and this is D. So measure the distance, perpendicular distance from here, same from here, then join them. So this will be B and this will be C. Okay, you can do the other way also, as we have done in the previous problem. In this previous problem, the apex is nearer to you. In here I am drawing it such that the base of the pyramid is nearer to you. Okay, so complete this top view. Then this will be a dotted line. This also will be a dotted line. Okay, this completes the top view in the VP condition. Okay, so this is called as the VP condition. Next, project the front view. So project all the base corners. Okay, you know B and C are on the XY line. Okay, project the base corners to the XY line. From C, draw a vertical line to cut it. This will be new C dash. From B also draw a vertical line to cut the XY line at B dash. Similarly, from A and D, draw the vertical line from A, vertical projector, and from the previous front view, draw the horizontal projector. This will be A dash. Similarly, D, draw the vertical projector from here, and from the previous front view, draw the horizontal projector. This will be D dash. Then O will be here. This will be O dash. O1 dash also you can project. Draw the vertical projector from O1 dash, O1. Okay, from the previous front view, draw the horizontal projector. You will get new O1 dash. Okay, so first we'll join the axis O dash and O1 dash. Okay, draw the axis line. Next, apply the rules of visibility. Okay, so all outlines are visible lines, so we'll draw all the outlines. A dash to D dash, D dash to C dash, C dash to B dash, then B dash to O dash again, and O dash to A dash. So we have applied the rules of visibility. First rule. Second rule, if you want to draw the front view, you have to look at the top view from this direction. When you look at the top view, all the base corners are visible to you. Okay, so here the full base corners will be visible lines. Base edges will be visible. So join B dash, A dash and B dash. Okay, then which are the invisible edges? Again, here you have to apply the last rule, that is, you are standing here, this is the axis, all the points, corners in front of the axis, that is A, B and O, are visible. Okay, all the points behind the axis are invisible, that is C and D are invisible corners. So according to the last rule, so just lines joining C and D must be invisible. So the line joining O dash and D dash will be a invisible line, dotted line. So this will complete the view, front view. If you do this much, you will get the full mark. Okay, so this is the type of problems which you will get on pyramids resting on its edge on HP. Okay, 4 types. Thank you. Next, in the next video, the same procedure can be followed for a pentagonal pyramid or a hexagonal pyramid. Okay, you try to solve the problems on pentagonal pyramid as well as hexagonal pyramid. Okay, thank you.